Namaste children, welcome to this new lesson, Charts in MS Excel. This is chapter 4, session 1. In this lesson, you are going to learn charts, how to use the charts in Excel sheets. Simplifying your life is a way of future. Like many other tools, graphs or charts have also simplified our life to a great extent. Graphs or charts are used in everyday life, from local newspaper to the magazines to school classes to college labs to professionals' conference rooms and many more ways. In this chapter, we shall talk about the charts in MS Excel. Children, before entering into the new lesson, we will have a short recap of previous class last lesson. In the last lesson, in the previous class, you learned spreadsheet ranges and functions. In that lesson, you learned method of entering formula. You know very well there are three methods of entering formula, and then working with ranges. You know very well ranges are the group of continuous cells. You know how to select the ranges also. Then cell references in worksheet. So two kinds of the cell references we were discussed in that last lesson, that is absolute reference and a relative reference. Working with multiple worksheets in a workbook. And what are functions? The functions are predefined formulas. Different kinds of the functions also we were discussed, and we were discussed about formatting data. These are the topics you learned in the last lesson. So now we are entering into the new lesson and new topic, that is charts. What is a chart? A chart is the pictorial representation of worksheet data. Okay, listen children, a chart is a pictorial representation of a data. So a graph or chart is a planned drawing. See, charts are the pictorial representation of worksheet data. Charts present worksheet data in graphical or pictorial form, which is easier to read and understand. Charts help you evaluate your worksheet data and analyze them conveniently that otherwise may be very difficult to spot in the worksheet. So MS Excel supports many types of charts. Let us learn what types of charts are supported by MS Excel in this lesson. Okay children, so before enter into the types of charts, just you recall what is a chart. A chart is a pictorial representation of data. Okay, why we need the chart in our Excel? Children, as you know very well, a picture is worth 1,000 words. You must have heard the phrase many times, isn't it? So, when we see the data, we cannot understand sometimes we cannot understand the data clearly. And at the same time, the data cannot be registered in our mind also. So suppose if you see the data in the picturized form, it will be easily registered in your mind, as well as you can understand that easily. Okay, so that's why we are using the charts or graphs for the easy understanding of data. Okay children, I hope now you understand what is chart and why we are using the charts in MS Excel. Okay, now we will go to the types of charts. Listen children, Excel supports different types of charts that are suitable for different purposes. As I said earlier, Excel explores different charts types. The first one is area chart. An area chart emphasizes the magnitude of change over time. I'll show you the area chart now. See, this is the area chart. Okay, children, in next class I will explain you how to use this chart. Okay, how to create the chart using the data. In this session you just learn what kind of the charts are available in Excel. Okay, so this is area chart. And second type of chart is a column chart. A column chart shows data changes over a period of time or illustrates comparisons among items. Children, look this. This is column chart. Okay, this chart is column chart. And moreover, in the last classes you were practice all this kind of the charts, so it will be easy to see. Okay, easy to understand. Now this column chart also have some variation. One variation of column chart is stacked column chart. Variations means another kind. Okay, in this column chart have different two types. Okay, that is variation. See here, the first variation, that first kind of the column chart is stacked column chart. This is a stacked column chart. And the second variation is 3D chart. Okay, this is 3D chart. Okay, children, next kind of the chart is bar chart. Illustrates comparisons among individual items. See, this bar chart illustrates comparisons among individual items. This is bar chart. This bar chart also has some variation. One variation of bar chart is stocked bar chart. A stocked bar chart shows the relationship of individual items to the whole. This is stacked bar chart. Next chart is line chart. A line chart shows trends in data at equal intervals. Line charts are useful for depicting the change in a value over a period of time. Look, children, this is line chart. This line chart have no variations, only the column chart. We will discuss the bar chart. Okay, bar chart and the column chart only have the variation. Okay, the line chart have no variation. The next chart is pie chart. Pie chart shows a proportional size of items that make up a data series to the sum of the items. It always shows only one data series and is useful when you want to emphasize a significant element. So this is pie chart. This pie chart also have some variation. The pie chart variation is grouped pie chart. That is a variation of pie chart available in MS Excel, and this variation is grouped pie chart. To make small slices easier to see, these can be grouped together as one item in a pie chart and then broken down into a smaller pie or bar chart next to the main chart. Okay, so simply the small slices in a pie chart broken down into a smaller pie next to the main chart. Look at this picture, children. This is grouped pie chart. That is a variation of pie chart. Next one is donut chart. Like a pie chart, a donut chart shows the relationship of parts to a whole. But it can contain more than one data series. Each ring of the donut chart represents a data series. See, this is donut chart. How many rings in it? 3 rings. So 3 rings represents 3 data series. Okay. Next chart is stock chart. The stock chart is actually high low close chart. The high low close chart is often used to illustrate stock prices. This chart can also be used for scientific data, for example, to indicate temperature changes. So, which chart is used for stock chart? Sorry, which chart type is used for scientific data? Is stock chart. Stock chart can also be used for scientific data. So usually it is used to indicate temperature changes. This is stock chart. Next one is XY scatter chart. An XY chart either shows the relationships among the numeric values in several data series or plots two groups of numbers as one series of XY coordinates. So this is XY scatter, XY chart. The next chart is bubble chart. A bubble chart is a type of XY chart. The size of the data marker indicates the value of a third variable. To arrange your data, place the X values in one row or column and enter corresponding Y values and bubble sizes in the adjacent rows or columns. This is bubble chart. The next chart is radar chart. In a radar chart, each category has its own value axis radiating from the center point. Lines connect all the values in the same series. A radar chart compares the aggregate values of a number of data series. This is radar chart. So mainly it is used to compare the aggregate values of a number of data series. The next one is surface chart. It is useful when you want to find optimum combinations between two sets of data. As in a topographic map, colors and patterns indicates areas that are in the same range of values. Our next chart type is cone, cylinder and pyramid charts. The cone, cylinder and pyramid data markers can lend a dramatic effect to 3D column and bar charts. See, this is cone. These two are cylinder and pyramid type. Okay children, in this lesson we are discussing about charts. What is a chart? A chart is a pictorial representation of the data. Okay. What are the different kinds of charts we were discussed? Can you recall? Different types of the charts are: the first one area chart, the second one column chart. Variation of column charts are stocked column chart and then 3D chart. Third chart type is bar chart. Variation of bar chart is stacked bar chart. The fourth one is line chart. Fifth one is pie chart. The variation of pie chart is grouped pie chart. Next, donut chart. Next one is stock chart. This stock chart used for scientific data. It can be used to indicate temperature change. The next one is XY chart. It plots two groups of numbers as one series of XY coordinates. The next one is bubble chart. This is bubble chart. Next, radar chart, surface chart, cone, cylinder and pyramid charts. Okay children, I hope you all understood this topic. In this lesson we will learn what is a chart and what are the different types of the charts, as well as the variations of chart also. All the charts have no variation, but some charts have some variation. Okay, column chart, bar chart, pie chart, these charts have some variation. Okay children, you read all the kinds of the charts and its purpose also. Okay, you learn all the types and the purpose of the charts. In next session we will learn how to create the charts using the spreadsheet data, as well as the components of the charts. Okay, we will discuss these two topics in the future classes. Okay children, I hope you all understand the topics and concepts very well. We will meet in the next session. Thank you children.